wants you to we are going to make a BMW logo. Do you want to know how we fold it? Then let's go. Okay, so to make the BMW logo, you will need a square sheet of carmine, which is blue on one side and white on the other. Now you can see that I have already made the creases. I have already made the creases because so it will be easy for you to understand. The first step is begin right side up and fold in half diagonally. Unfold, rotate, do the same thing. Dust is there on my table, which is making me uncomfortable. Now unfold. Now fold this corner to the intersection point where the two creases meet. Now do the same thing on the opposite side, like that. Turn over, rotate, now do the same thing. So it is like this. Now turn over. Now what we are going to do, we are going to fold this corner up, about like this. Now do the same thing on this side. Make sure that the two of the corners are matching each other. So like this is up, I'm going to pull it a little bit down. And now this is perfect. Rotate and now just do the same thing on the other two corners. So it is like that. Like that. Now what we are going to do, now you see that this is the shape of an octagon. Now we're going to convert it into a circle. So just now we're going to this corner we're going to fold it up like this, and the other corner also, and just go to all the sides of this small triangle. You see this one. You just put it like this. Okay, so now turn over and now you see it is a fully square. I mean a fully circle. If it is not a circle, then you can just shape the BMW logo to taste like that. So now you see it's a perfect circle. No, I don't think it's a flicker map. It's not a good. So now we are done. Okay, so there you have your BMW logo. I hope you enjoyed, and bye until the next video comes on Arman Space.